Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily generate stickers on the CapCut mobile. So here I've already opened CapCut and I'm going to just go to stickers. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new feature, AI sticker, where you can generate stickers or images, and it will be saved on 30 days from the day you create it. So for example, you can just here type in the keyword or the sticker that you want to create. For example, cat. Okay, I'm going to try cat. Click on generate. Okay, so just wait until the results came out. You can see now it will be shown like this, so you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, the first one. Click on add and it will be added to your edits. Click on the check icon and you are done. You can add animation if you want. For example, like this, it will move like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.